In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Sites for a portfolio. By the end, you'll have a clean, organized portfolio framework you can customize to showcase your work. First, open Google Sites and create a new site. Head to the Google Sites homepage in your browser and sign in if you aren't already. On the site's dashboard, click the plus button to create a new site. You'll land on a simple editor with a canvas in the center and options on the right. Give your site a clear name in the top left corner and add a title on the homepage so visitors immediately know what they're looking at. Keep it professional and concise, something like your name and a short descriptor. Google Sites saves automatically so you can move at your own pace without worrying about losing changes. Next, choose a portfolio template or start with a blank site. If you prefer a quick start, open the template gallery and select a portfolio-focused design. Templates come with pre-built sections and coordinated fonts and colors, which helps your site look polished instantly. If you like full control, start blank and use the right-hand panel to pick a theme and adjust colors and typography to match your personal brand. You can change the header type, drop in a logo, and tweak the banner image so the look feels consistent with your style. Don't overdo it. Simple, readable, and cohesive usually works best for portfolios. Finally, add pages for About Me, Projects, Resume, and Contact. Open the Pages tab on the right and create each page with clear, easy-to-scan names. Arrange them in an order that makes sense, typically starting with About Me. On your About Me page, write a concise introduction that highlights your skills, interests, and what you're looking for. A friendly tone and a professional headshot go a long way. On the Projects page, plan sections for your best work. Include short descriptions, your role, the tools you used, and what outcomes you achieved. If you link to external content, use descriptive labels so visitors know what to expect. On the Resume page, you can paste a formatted version of your resume or embed a PDF for a clean, consistent look. Keep headings and spacing consistent for readability. On the Contact page, provide a simple way to reach you, such as a contact form and links to professional profiles. Make sure labels are clear and that the page is easy to find in the navigation. That's it. With your site created, a style chosen, and core pages in place, you have a strong foundation for your portfolio. Keep refining the content over time and let the work speak for itself.